beating you, you can just help him.
No, sir, I started with
Lecturing.
I
No,
started
not
with
Jay,
trading
not to
on
you, Jay, not
camera.
to you, but the others, especially the ladies. I was just thinking the ladies should be very good and they'll be starting and they'll be having Ghamasan war over here. But so this kind of attitude will not work there in the company or in the interview or anywhere. So please help us to help with yourself to make you the best version of yours. By the way, it was really pathetic, disappointing. I was expecting that ladies would be coming first and will be speaking over here, but unfortunately. However, let's go back to the next one. Thank you so much, Ramiz, once again for leading this, and it was really good. And has anyone given good points over here? Ramiz, has anyone given good points? Hello? Yes. Dumb people. मैं हूँ क्या करने का? उन लोग का देख के लेंगे. मैं कौन होता बोलने वाला? Very nice. See guys, जब तक कि आप लोग कभी कुछ नहीं करेंगे ना, आप लोग आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे. मैं आप लोगों को कोई ऐसा ये नहीं देने आया हूँ लेक्चर वगैरह, बट मैं आपको खाली बता रहा हूँ. Until and unless you're going to do, you're not going to gain success. This is what my personal experience I could say here. Okay, let's go ahead. Just a minute, please. Okay, so are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At least some people are speaking and other terms are dumbs.
Yeah.
Okay, so as you can see here on my screen, last time we have already started with our prepositions in English, right? And I think Ramiz were absent there. Am I right?
Yeah, I was.
For both the lectures.
Yeah, I had meetings, back-to-back meetings.
So sorry. Okay, I will be sending you the recordings of it. And I think the recordings haven't uploaded after 14th of July. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So sorry. Madam se baat karna padega. We'll be talking to her. Else I'll be uploading myself. Okay, by the way, let's go to the next one now. To, in, at. Now the today's prepositions are what? To, in, and at. Who can tell me what's the meaning of to? Rajo, what do you mean by to? What do you mean by to in English? Please tell me. To का मतलब क्या होता है? पहली बात तो to का मतलब इतना कुछ रहता नहीं. Do not translate any language. Are we going to translate any language? If we are translating it, it will become something pathetic. Remember this. Point number one. Second number is what? To का generally form अगर हम लोग देखेंगे तो को होता है. को. To का मतलब होता है को. ऐसा बोलते हैं, but that is not exact meaning of to. Remember this one. I'm just repeating once again my statement. It is not the exact meaning of to, but we are using to just to point some kind of places. Just to point the kind of places we are going to use it to. Yaad rakhna hai. For example, today we are going to have here to, in, and at. Now, before we go ahead, I want to ask a simple question to all of you. When do we use in? Guys, when do we use in?
Something is
Something
inside
is
and big.
inside.
And big.
Good. When something is big and when something is inside, we're going to use it to. Oh, sorry, in. And when do we use at?
Exact position.
For exact
Proper
place. For exact
position,
position.
exact place.
Good. For exact position, we are going to use there at. And when do we use in? When something is big and when something is inside. Apart from this one, now when to use to? I'm going to show you today the contradictions between to and in and to and at. Okay. Point number one is what? When do we use to? When we are just saying something that to matlab ko, when it is pointing to some kind of places like this. It is pointing a place at the time we're going to say the to. For example, to go, to come, to return, to walk, to. For example, go to, come to, return to, walk to, etc. For example, I go to London, I come to London, I return to London, I walk to London, like this. For example, we can say here to. We are going to London means what? I am going to London. Am I in London right now? No, no, no. मैं जा रहा हूँ London को. So that London को means what? I'm going to London. Okay. Next one. I want to go to Italy next year. Means what? Am I in Italy right now? No, I'm in India and I want to go to Italy next year. So I want to go to Italy next year means what? Right now I'm not in Italy. Next one. We walked from our house to the city center of the town. We walked from our house to the city center. City center ko, to the center of the town. Getting it? To the city center. We walked from my house, मेरे घर से, to the city center. Next one. What time do you go to bed? To bed. आप बिस्तर पे कब जाते हैं? सोते कब है? So what time do you go to bed? So when we are pointing a position at that time, you're going to use it to. Second thing is there in and at. So as we have used here to, we are going to have here in. For example, be in, stay in, do something in, etc. So when you are already in the place, that time you're going to use there in. For example, in London. And what do you mean by to London? London को रास्ते में हूँ मैं अभी, London को जा रहा हूँ. So in London means already existing in that place. So we're going to use that in London. Apart from this one, I'm going to go for the next one. So Piccadilly Circus is in London. Piccadilly Circus is in London means already it is in existing in London. So Piccadilly Circus is in London means it is there in London. My brother lives in Italy. He's not going to Italy. My brother already lives in Italy means what? The person is there already in the country. So my brother lives in Italy. Next, the main shops are in the center of the town. So I'm not going to the city center, but the main shops are already existing in the center of the town. Next, I like reading in bed. I like reading in bed means what? In bistar. Bistar may already, when someone is existing over there, we're going to use it in. So, for example, see the contradictions over here. We are going to London on Sunday. मैं London जा रहा हूँ Sunday को. Piccadilly Circus is in London. Piccadilly Circus London में है. Next, I want to go to Italy next year. मैं Italy को जाना चाहता हूँ. And my brother lives in Italy. मेरा भाई Italy में ही रहता है. We walk from our house to the city center. And the main shops are in the city center. To the city center को and in the city center मतलब city center में. Next, what time do you go to bed? आप सोने के लिए कब जाते हैं? बिस्तर पर कब जाते हैं? बिस्तर को कब जाते हैं? बिस्तर पर कब जाते हैं? And I like reading in bed मतलब मुझे बिस्तर में पढ़ना पसंद है. Can you please give me some sentences like this? To as well as in. To as well as in.
I'm going to class.
I'm going to class. I'm in class. Next.
She is going to college.
She's in college. Very good. दोनों भी बनाना है. Yes.
He walked to mosque.
He's in mosque. दोनों सेंटेंस बनाना है मेरे को. Yes. Next.
I'm going to village. I'm in village.
I'm going to
Hello,
park.
I'm
I'm
going
in
to
park.
the college. I'm in the college.
Correct. Mr. Ramiz.
I'm going to park. I'm in park.
I'm going to the park. I'm in the park. Jai, Muskan,
I'm going to
Mehek,
study.
Ramiz,
I'm
Raza,
going to the
Sahana,
London.
Sana.
I'm in London.
Correct. I'm going to London. I'm in London. Next. Jai.
He likes
I'm
to
going to study.
swim.
I'm going to pray.
सुनो थोड़ा रहम करो. All of you please यहाँ पे ध्यान दो. अभी एक मैडम बना रही थी. I like to swim. मुझे to के साथ में place चाहिए. हाँ, जगह चाहिए. Swim जगह नहीं है. महक मैडम.
Yes, sir.
महक मैडम, very good girl. Swim जगह है क्या मैडम?
नहीं.
तो मुझे क्या चाहिए? जगह.
जगह.
To London जगह है. To market जगह है. To hospital जगह है. To bank जगह है. To class जगह है. I want the place. चलो, sentences. To with
I'm going
place.
to ground. I'm in ground.
Correct.
I'm going to
I'm
Dubai.
going to mall. I'm in mall.
Correct.
I'm going to
He comes to garden. He is in
I have
garden.
to go.
Correct.
I have to go now office.
Correct. I'm in the office.
I'm going to pray. I'm in mosque.
करेक्ट आई एम गोइंग टू प्रे. अब दोस्त 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 टू प्रे आपने क्या बोला? आई एम गोइंग टू प्रे. प्रे क्या है? प्रे जगह है क्या?
No.
प्रे जगह नहीं है
No.
दोस्त. क्या है? प्रे क्या है? वर्ब है. मुझे वर्ब नहीं चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए जगह. आई एम गोइंग टू द मॉस्क और आई विल बी इन द मॉस्क. टेंस को चेंज कर करके बोलो. हाँ, प्रैक्टिस अच्छा रहेगा इंशाल्लाह. कंटिन्यू.
They're going to ground. They're in the ground.
नेक्स्ट.
I'm going to gym. I will be in gym.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट.
I'm going to airport. I will be in airport.
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट.
I'm going to bank. I will
I
be in
went to
bank.
go.
यस. बैंक.
I went to go to Singapore next year.
हाँ.
I'm in Singapore.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट.
I am going to USA. I am in USA.
आई एम इन द यूएसए. वेरी गुड.
I'll teach in school. I'm in school.
करेक्ट. सही उधर टू कहाँ है? नेक्स्ट. चलो भाई नेक्स्ट. रमेश भाई, मिस शाइमा, मेक सेंटेंसेस.
I'm go to bed around 12.
आई गो टू
I'm
बेड.
in bed.
करेक्ट.
I'm going to my village. I will be in my village.
करेक्ट. आई एम गोइंग टू माय विलेज. आई विल बी इन माय विलेज. नेक्स्ट.
He's going to farmhouse. He will in a farmhouse.
सना मैम, सहाना मैम, हाय.
I'm going to exam. I am in exam.
हाँ, नेक्स्ट.
I'm going to work. I'm in a work.
I'm going for it. I'm going to an examination hall. I'm in the examination hall.
I'm
Can I
going to
go to
Bangalore.
outside?
I'm in Bangalore.
Correct. I'm going to Bangalore. I'm in Bangalore.
Can I go to
I'm
outside?
going to cafe. I'm in cafe.
From-
हाँ, जय, can you please repeat your sentence?
Can I go to outside?
हाँ.
I'm going to market.
I'm
I'm in market.
अरे चुप बैठो, मेरा जय कुछ बहुत भारी सेंटेंस बना रहा है. Can I go to outside? अरे रतलू, ऐसे किसने बोला था? जय सेंटेंस गलत हो गया भाई वो. यार,
I
अपन
will
ऐसे
go
कैसे
to
बोले?
office. I am in office.
आरिफ बुके विके खाने के दोस्त, ध्यान देने का. जय की वहां पे गाड़ी अटक गई है दोस्त की अपने. जय लटक गया उधर कीचड़ के अंदर, गिर गया है वो. सुनो जरा. इफ यू सी देयर, जय इज सेइंग कैन आई गो टू आउटसाइड. अपन ऐसे बोल सकते हैं क्या? नो, वी कैन से डायरेक्टली कैन आई गो आउटसाइड. दैट्स इट. बिकॉज आउटसाइड इज ऑलरेडी क्या है?
बाहर.
करेक्ट. बाहर. और बाहर क्या रहता है? प्रीपोजिशन है ना ऑलरेडी वो. यस नो. आउट क्या प्रीपोजिशन है? इन, आउट, अंडर, बीनीथ, ओवर, अबव, अगेंस्ट, ये सब क्या है? प्रीपोजिशन है. आउटसाइड क्या है? आउट ऑलरेडी प्रीपोजिशन है, तो उसके लिए अपने को डबल प्रीपोजिशन लगाने की जरूरत है क्या? नो.
नहीं.
Okay,
सिंपल.
sir.
हाँ, ध्यान रखना है. सो सेंटेंस गलत हो गया दोस्त. चलो नेक्स्ट.
I'm go to sleep. I am in sleep.
तो टू के साथ में मैंने क्या बोला यहाँ पर? देखो, टू के साथ में जगह चाहिए. मुस्तकिम भाई, टू के साथ में जगह चाहिए. स्लीप जगह
Yes,
नहीं
yes,
है.
yes, yes, sir.
स्लीप जगह नहीं है दोस्त. चलो नेक्स्ट.
I'm going to hill station. I'm in hill station.
करेक्ट. I'm at the hill station ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. I'm in the hill station. Okay, next.
I'm going to hospital. I'm in hospital.
Correct. I'm going to Shimla. I'm in Shimla. I'm going to hospital. I'm in the hospital. Very good. Next.
I'm going to art. I'm in art.
Correct.
I'm going to museum. I'm in museum.
Correct. I'm going to the museum. I'm in the museum. Next.
He
He's
will
going to
come.
mall. He's in mall.
Correct. To the mall. In the mall.
I'm going to Kashmir. I'm in Kashmir.
Repeat.
I'm going to the Kashmir. I'm in Kashmir.
Correct. I'm going to Kashmir. He's in Kashmir. Next.
He's going to club. He in club.
I'm going to cinema
Correct.
hall. I'm in cinema hall.
Correct. Club, cinema hall. Next.
I'm going to Pakistan. I'm in Pakistan.
Next.
I want to go college. I'm in college.
Correct. I want to go to college. I'm in college. Anyone else?
They
Okay.
are
The guests are going
to
to
watch.
the hotel.
They are going to stadium. They are in stadium.
Correct.
The guests are going to the hotel.
Only camera.
The guests were
Staying in a hotel.
staying in a hotel.
Correct. The guests were staying in a hotel. Miss Sahana makes sentences. Miss Shaima makes sentences. Miss Sana. Miss Mahek. Sentences. To
He will go to
बहुत easy
restaurant.
है. Oh.
he is in restaurant.
Correct.
I'm
Next.
going to Amenoro Mall. I'm in Amenoro Mall.
Very nice, very nice. भाई लोग मॉल व्हील में जा रहे हैं, आप लोग किधर है?
I'm going to airport. I am in airport.
I'm going to camp.
Good.
In camp.
Correct. My class is in camp. I'm going to camp. Mahek is going to France. Her friend lives in France.
I'm going to club. I'm in club.
I'm going to
Any
Lonavala.
doubts
I'm
to
in
anyone?
Lonavala.
Some
No,
people
sir.
have dinner in the
No, sir.
restaurant. Some
No.
people eat stand outside the at the restaurant.
For example, some people have dinner in the restaurant and
Some
some
people
people
stand
are
outside.
going to the restaurant. To the restaurant. So in the restaurant, to the restaurant, like this. Okay? Context match करना है अपने को खाली. All right, let's go for the next one. Any doubts to anyone with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
To and
No.
in. Let's
No,
go
sir.
for the next one. Now, to with at. To with at. For example, to the airport, to the work, to the party, to the house. And be at, stay at, do something at. For example, we are going to have here the examples. The bus is going to the airport. Is it at the airport right now?
No.
No. The bus is
No,
going
sir.
to the airport means what? वो airport पे नहीं है. It is going to the airport means it's on the way. The bus
On
is
the
going
way.
to the airport. Next, the bus is at the airport. Now, what do you mean by this? कि वो
Exact
airport पे
position.
airport खड़ी है.
Currently
When
it
do we
is
use
at
at? We are using at for exact
Exact
position and
position.
exact place.
Exact
Yes or no?
position.
So simple. If you see
Yes,
airport
sir.
पे क्या है, वो बस खड़ी है exact position पे. Am I right?
Yes.
So we are going
Yes,
to
sir.
use it at. So the bus is at the airport and the bus is going to the airport. See, to plus at. जैसे in air to का किया था वैसा. Now, if you see here, Karen didn't go to work yesterday. Karen कल काम पे नहीं गई थी. काम को नहीं गई थी Karen. Karen didn't go to work yesterday, and Sarah wasn't at work yesterday. और कल सारा भी काम पे नहीं थी. ना Karen गई थी, ना सारा काम पे थी. दोनों कहाँ तो भी गए थे. So Karen didn't go to work and Sarah wasn't at work. दोनों भी correct है. To work काम को और ये at work काम पे. Next one. I went to a party last night. मैं कल एक पार्टी पे गया था. I went to a party last night. I met a lot of people at the party. और मैं पार्टी पे बहुत सारे लोगों को मिला. मैं पार्टी को गया था और मैं पार्टी पर मिला. I met Mr. Arif at the party. मैं उनको एक पार्टी पे मिला था. And I went to the party. मैं पार्टी को गया था. Next, you must come to our house. आप हमारे घर आइए please. You must come to our house. आप खास हमारे घर पे आइए. Helen stayed at her brother's house. Helen stayed at her brother. वो उसके भाई के घर पर ही रुकी थी. घर को आओ और घर पे रुकी थी. समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को? To and at. To and at. Is that clear? I want you people to make sentences with to plus at. To के साथ में भी, at के साथ में भी. Make sentences.
I'm
Yes.
going to station. I'm at station.
The station. Very good.
I'm going to college.
the
I'm
station.
at the college.
Correct. I'm going to college. I'm at the college. Very good.
I'm
I'm
going to
hotel.
class.
I'm at
I'm
I'm
going
at
to
the
shop. I'm at shop.
Correct. Correct.
I'm going to hospital. I'm at hospital.
Same sentence मत बनाओ रे. For example, every day I go to class, and in the morning I was at class. Sentences change कर करके बनाओ. Next. अरे बनाओ.
I must come to my house.
Okay.
Just I am at my house
Correct. Right now I'm at my house.
right now.
Good. I come to my house. मैं मेरे घर पे आता हूँ. And right now I'm at my house. और मैं घर पे मैं अभी हूँ. Next.
Daily I am going to office. Right now I am at office.
Correct. Daily I go to office. Right now I'm at the office. Yes.
The bus is going to the bus stop, and now I'm at the bus stop.
Correct. The bus is going to the bus stop, and right now I'm at the bus stop. Good one. Next.
I went to mall yesterday. I am at mall.
Correct. I went to the mall yesterday and I'm at the mall right now. Very good.
We are playground. We are playground daily.
We went to the
and,
playground.
We went to the playground daily and
Daily?
we are
Yesterday. Past
yesterday.
dost. We went to the playground yesterday and
We went to the playground yesterday and we are
at the playground.
at the playground.
Correct. Or we are playing at the playground.
Asmara
correct.
is not going to the office and now she's at the home.
Correct.
The aeroplane going to USA. The aeroplane at the USA.
Can we say like this? Please, all of you have a look here. The aeroplane is going to the USA and the aeroplane is at the USA. Can we say like this?
No.
In US.
No.
Why?
Lives
Because
in the US.
Correct. Because USA is not an exact place. वो exact place है क्या? USA का दरवाजा है क्या मिस्टर मुस्तकीम?
No, sir.
क्लास का दरवाजा रहता, कॉलेज का दरवाजा रहता. We can say at college at class. Correct, Miss Sahana?
Yes.
Yes.
चलो मैडम जागी हैं. Yes, madam. Sentence.
I went to a mall yesterday. I met my friend at the mall.
Yes. Yesterday.
I want to play guitar, but right now I am at Cambridge tutorial.
Very nice.
I went to a marriage ceremony. I meet my friend
My
at
friend.
marriage ceremony.
At wedding.
At wedding.
हाँ, very good. शादी पे निकाह पे मिला था मैं. Next.
Tomorrow I will go to the London.
California.
Now I am
I'm
in
at
India.
California.
No, madam. At California आएगा क्या? At पुणे आएगा क्या? पुणे का गेट किधर है? काशीवाड़ी में है क्या? बोल सकते हैं अपन पुणे का गेट. At California नहीं बोलेंगे, गलत हो जाएगा सही वो. Next.
Tomorrow I will go to the London. Now I am in the India.
Tomorrow I will go to London. Now I'm in India. रातालू मुझे at चाहिए. खालू.
Now
At
I
चाहिए.
am at India.
Can we say I'm at India? अरे भालू अभी तो बोला मैंने. अरे at USA नहीं लगता है. और मैडम अभी कुछ बोल रही थी वहाँ पे भी at नहीं लगता. कैलिफोर्निया में भी ऐड नहीं लगता, अमेरिका में भी ऐड नहीं लगता, इंडिया पे भी ऐड नहीं लगता. ऐड कहाँ पे लगता है? जहाँ पे गेट रहेगा, जहाँ पे एग्जैक्ट प्लेस रहेगी. यस और नो आरिफ?
Yes.
फिर ऐड कैसे लगाएंगे उधर? चलो रमीश भाई
Like
मेक सेंटेंसेस.
college, school.
I'm going to attending the lecture. I'm at the lecture.
I'm going to attend the lecture. I'm at the lecture. आगे सहेली दोनों भी सेंटेंस नहीं चाहिए मुझे.
We are going to
ये
the
बराबर होगा ना, लेकिन lecture तो
आगे सहेली मैंने अभी क्या बोला कि टू मेरे को चाहिए किसके लिए?
place.
हमारे आपा हमको टू चाहिए प्लेस के लिए. लेक्चर प्लेस थोड़ी है. I'm going to the lecture आपने बोला ना, तो लेक्चर प्लेस थोड़ी है सहेली.
तो सर एट वाला भी सेंटेंस गलत होगा क्या?
बिल्कुल भी नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग आई एम एट लेक्चर ऐसे कैसे बोलेंगे? मैं लेक्चर पे हूँ.
हाँ.
नहीं बोल सकते ना ऐसा. फिर चलो नेक्स्ट.
My brother want
John
to go
went to
to
party yesterday. John is at party.
करेक्ट.
my brother
John
want to
wants
go to the village tomorrow, but now he is at the hospital.
करेक्ट. देखो
The-
ऐसा.
the-
वेरी
The
गुड.
cab is going
ये
to
आसमा मैडम
airport.
के ऐसे सेंटेंस बनाने
The
का
cab-
ऐसे अपने ऐसे पलटी मारने का. मैडम ने क्या किया? शी वांट्स टू गो टू द विलेज एंड शी इज नाउ एट हॉस्पिटल. मैडम ने विलेज के साथ में लगाया टू और एट लगाया हॉस्पिटल. गुड सेंटेंस. एटलीस्ट अगर आप लोग को सेम मिलेगा ऐसा गारंटी नहीं है. गारंटी नहीं है ऐसे
The
सेम
cab-
मिलेगा. इसके लिए अलग अलग बना सकते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. गुड. दिमाग यूज करो अपना बस.
You must.
The cab is going to airport.
करेक्ट.
The cab is at airport.
करेक्ट.
I didn't
You
go
must
to
come to
college.
the office. I'm at office.
टू कॉलेज. एट कॉलेज. चलो नेक्स्ट. एनीवन एल्स?
You must come to office.
Tomorrow I
I'm
will
at
go to
office.
America.
Good, good.
I am in ground.
Correct.
My friend didn't went to stadium. My friend is at stadium.
Very good. Okay. Any doubts to anyone with acts? Two with acts?
No, sir.
It is really very
No, sir.
easy, but you need to practice at home. आप लोग को practice करना पड़ेगा घर पर. Next one, home. अब home के लिए हमारे यहाँ पे आप लोगों ने सुना रहेगा, अक्सर लोग यहाँ पे अपने इधर टू लगाते. सुना कि नहीं?
हाँ सुना.
गलत हो
Yes.
गया.
Yes, sir.
We cannot use it to for home.
सेंटेंस बना रहे थे, आपने बोला नहीं.
हाँ तो दोस्त वहाँ पे होम के लिए कभी भी टू लगता नहीं. विदाउट टू. कैसा कड़क लिख के दिया इधर तुम्हारे भाभी ने. विदाउट टू.
बट सर हमने बनाया जब आपने बोला क्यों नहीं कि
आपकी आवाज ही नहीं आई रहेगी मेरे को दोस्त, वरना तो मैं बोलता हूँ हमेशा. हम लोग होम के लिए कभी टू लगाते नहीं है. आई गो होम, कम होम, वॉक होम, रिटर्न होम बोलते हैं, टू नहीं लगाते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल गो होम, कम होम, वॉक होम एटसेट्रा, बट वी डोंट यूज इट टू. वहाँ पे टू लगाते नहीं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम टायर्ड, आई एम गोइंग होम. वी कांट से आई एम गोइंग टू होम. लोग बोल रहे हैं दैट इज गलत. ये कैम्ब्रिज का बुक बोल रहा है, ये तो थोड़ी गलत बोलेगा. डिड यू वॉक होम लास्ट नाइट? कल आप चलते घर गए थे क्या? सो वॉक होम, नॉट वॉक टू होम. हमारे यहाँ पे मैनेजर लोगों भी यूज कर रहे हैं बेचारे, टू होम. गलत है ना, गलत को गलत ही बोलूंगा मैं. सो टू होम वी कांट से. आई एम गोइंग होम, वी कांट से आई एम गोइंग टू होम. नेक्स्ट वन, बी एट होम, stay at home, do something at home. For example, I'm staying at home tonight. मैं आज घर पर ही रुक रहा हूँ. Dan doesn't work in an office, he works at home. वो ऑफिस में काम नहीं करता, घर पे ही काम करता है. So he works at home, he doesn't come to the office. So I want something at home, home. Go home, come home. Can you please make sentences with go home, come home, at home?
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, I am going to home क्यों नहीं होगा, वो समझ में नहीं आया मुझे.
क्यों नहीं होगा? इसका
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
आपको देंगे हमारे प्रो प्लेयर मिस्टर रमीज. रमीज भाई,
Mm-hmm.
why can't we use the to for home?
I have very less idea on this.
Okay. Mr. Muskan,
Sorry, I don't have any idea.
Miss Sana, Sahana madam. आप भी गुंडी हो रही है थोड़े थोड़े दिन से. महक मैडम,
Don't know, sir.
छोटी गुंडी.
सर वो किसी को क्लियर नहीं हुआ सर.
ओ क्लियर. अरे सिंपल सी चीज है मेरे दोस्त. अरे ये क्या है? होम इज व्हाट? होम इज एन एक्टिविटी. और एक्टिविटी के लिए टू नहीं लगाते मेरे भाई. होम के लिए कभी भी टू लगाते नहीं है. क्योंकि पहली बात तो होम जगह है क्या? होम जगह है क्या? कभी भी एक बात याद रखो, यहाँ पे ध्यान दो प्लीज ऑल ऑफ यू. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, टू किसके लिए लगाते हैं? स्पेशली प्लेस के लिए लगाते हैं. एम आई राइट? टू अपन प्लेस के लिए लगाते हैं ना.
Yes, sir.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू द बैंक प्लेस है, टू द स्टेशन, टू द एयरपोर्ट, टू द
Yes.
पोस्ट ऑफिस, टू द स्कूल, टू द हॉस्पिटल, टू द चर्च, टू द मॉस्क, टू द टेम्पल, टू द स्ट्रीट. यस नो? टू हम लोग लगाते ही प्लेस के लिए. होम प्लेस है क्या? अब हमारा रजा है, रजा को उसने मारी, घर से हकल डाली, रजा ने तालपत्री डाल के स्टेशन पे सो गए, तो रजा के लिए वो क्या बन गया? होम. समझा? अब रजा उधर बेचारा 4 साल से रह रहा है, उसने घर में ली नहीं वापस रजा को. अब रजा को अगर अपन पूछेंगे वेयर इज योर होम, तो रजा क्या बोलेगा? प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 मेरा घर है. सो अल्टीमेटली दैट प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 इज हिज होम, एंड होम इज एन एक्टिविटी. यस और नो? यस और नो रजा? रज्जो, यस और नो? अब फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 4 के ऊपर क्या हो गया? डॉग ने पॉटी करके चले गए, तो हमारा रजा वहां पे रुकेगा क्या? अभी आज उसका घर चेंज, रजा का. आज हमारा घर है प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 5. समझा? सो होम इज व्हाट? एन एक्टिविटी. सेम केस. अभी बच्चे इंडिया में बहुत सारे होमलेस लोग हैं, उसमें से अगर कोई बच्चे को आप पकड़ेंगे, उसको पूछेंगे वेयर इज योर होम, तो बोलेगा देखो तालपत्री मारी हुई फुटपाथ पे, दैट्स माय होम. सो होम इज एन एक्टिविटी. होम के लिए टू नहीं लगेगा क्योंकि वो प्लेस नहीं है. जय. समझा वीरू के भाई? नहीं लगेगा उधर,
Okay,
क्योंकि
sir.
वो प्लेस नहीं है. सिंपल. टू लगाते हैं हम लोग को. मैं बैंक को जा रहा हूँ, स्टेशन को जा रहा हूँ, घर को जा रहा. इंग्लिश में तो ऐसा नहीं बोलते, हिंदी में बोलते रहेंगे, हिंदी को छोड़ डालो, बट इंग्लिश में नहीं बोलते बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ प्लेस. वी आर गोइंग टू यूज द टू फॉर प्लेसेस. टू लंडन, टू फ्रांस, टू इंडिया, टू पुणे, टू कैम्ब्रिज ट्यूटोरियल्स, टू बैंक, टू रेस्टोरेंट, टू होटल, टू रिसॉर्ट, टू इन. Yes or no? We can use do.
And sir, can we use two for home and house?
हाँ, we can use two for house. आपके सामने ही है. We can use two for house. Why? Because house is not an activity. House is just a building. House मतलब यानी कमरा, रूम, उसको बोलेंगे house. और home क्या होता है? Home weather. Home weather. आहा हा हा हा.
Family.
Home where the heart is. आहा. इंग्लिश में कहानी है. सॉरी, इंग्लिश में एक प्रोवर्ब है. Home where the heart is. Home उसको बोलते हैं जहाँ पे हमारा दिल होता है. तो दिल का मतलब क्या है? फैमिली. दिल का मतलब औरता नहीं है वहाँ पे, दिल का मतलब है फैमिली. Okay, home where the heart is. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
I want you
Yes.
people to make sentences with now home.
I'm in home. I stayed at home.
Correct. I'm in home. I stayed at home. Next. जल्दी जल्दी home. कुछ भी sentence बनाओ. I want sentences with home. Even single sentence with home. No problem. I will be at home tomorrow. Please come.
I'm taking tuition at home.
Correct.
I am in home. I am class attending home.
Correct. I'm in home and I'm attending class at
At
home.
home.
Where is your home? She is working at home since 2
I'm
years.
attending class from home. Yes, Miss Sahana.
I am in home. I am sleeping at home.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Today
Some
is my
relatives
online
come
exam.
from
Taking at home.
Working at home.
झगड़े नहीं करने का, आके ही बोलने का. Yes.
I'm in home. I'm working at home.
करेक्ट. कुछ भी बना सकते हैं, मुझे सिंगल सेंटेंस भी चलेगा. गिव मी सेंटेंसेस मिस
I am
शाइमा.
Maybe
I
we
am
should go home.
walk in home.
Go home.
I am work at home.
Correct. At
I'm
home.
playing at home.
some relatives from home.
Correct. From home. I'm working from home. Yes.
I am play with my daughters at home.
I play with my daughters at home.
I spend my time at home.
Good.
I am cooking at my home.
Correct. I'm cooking at home. घर पे खाना बना रहा मैं. Good.
I'm at the market, but my mom is at the home.
Correct.
home.
I'm at the market and my mom is at home.
I'm praying at home.
I'm praying
I
at
am
home.
I am get bath at my home.
I have a bath at home. Get bath मतलब मेरे को
Children
नहलाते
start playing
बाजू
at
वाले
home.
आके. I take bath मतलब मैं खुद से नहाता हूँ. मुस्तकिम भाई.
Yes, yes.
I
I'm
get bath home
taking
बोले तो
rest
बाजू
in
वाले
my
आके
home.
नहलाते मेरे को. Yes.
I am eating at my home.
I have a meeting at my home.
Study at my home.
Correct. At my home.
I have
I'm
some
eating
work
at my home.
Good. At home.
Are you going to home?
Oh madam.
Oh, no.
Madam.
Are you going home?
हाँ. Are you going home? पाप
I
कर
am
रही थी
in-
मैडम अभी इधर.
I am enjoy with my family at my home.
I enjoy with my family at home.
Tomorrow I will going to my friend's home.
Correct. Tomorrow we all of us are going to my friend's home. मेरे सहेली के घर को जा रहे हैं हम लोग. Yes.
There is party at my home.
There is party at my home. पहुंचे रहे सब लोग.
She came home
Family
3
get
hours
together
later.
at my
Correct.
home.
She came home 3 hours later. Next.
There is some function at home.
Correct.
Not being well, she stay home.
Correct.
I
He
come home
invites-
just now.
Good. Stay
He
home. Stay
invites
safe.
him.
I
He
leave home.
invites him at home.
Correct.
Please be at
Yeah.
home.
Please be at home. घर पे
I'm
ही
going
रुको.
home.
बाहर
I work
कुत्ते
at
पकड़ने
home.
वाली गाड़ी आई हुई है. घर पे ही रुको.
I am watching TV at I am watching TV at my home.
I'm watching TV at home.
Today
She
my
is coming to
father
my
is at
home.
cut. Today's my father has cutters, but tomorrow
He'll be at home.
Be at my home. Our home.
Correct. He'll be at home. Next.
We will discuss at home.
We will discuss at home. घर पे हम discuss करेंगे. Anyone else?
We work from home.
We work from home. Anyone else?
Today party at
My all friends are making presentation at my home.
Good one. Any doubts to anyone?
We have training at my home.
No, sir.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, before we go ahead, now leaving this topic I'll be having tomorrow. 109. You have to practice unit number 108 today. Okay, at home. घर पे आपको practice करना है unit number 8 at home. See, at home use किया मैंने. Now, before we go ahead, I want you people to observe a picture and just give me the prepositions from there. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों को कितने prepositions मिलते हैं. कुत्ते के ऐसा बीच में घुस घुस के ऐसे लड़ा लड़ी करना नहीं. Okay, we are very gentle people and I want the answers very gently. कितने prepositions निकलते हैं देखते हैं. Okay, Are you seeing this diagram? आपको डायग्राम दिख रहा है?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
guys. Okay, डायग्राम दिख रहा है सबको, सबकी आंखें चालू है, डायग्राम दिख रहा है, वेरी गुड. अब ये डायग्राम के अंदर जो है ना, मैंने इसके अंदर मार्किंग करना छोड़ दिया, भूल गया, सॉरी. इन सबका थोबड़ा यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पे मैंने मार्क किया है. फेस इन लोग का इधर है, ओके, इधर फेस है, इधर फेस दिख रहा है ना आप लोगों को? इज दैट क्लियर टू ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
या
Yes, sir.
फेस किधर है उन लोग का? ये साइड में. ये क्लासरूम है, क्लासरूम के अंदर ऐसे 5 लोग बैठे हैं. देयर आर 5 people in the classroom, A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now you people are going to tell me the prepositions on them. Okay, ये ज्यादा हो गया ना. चलो. Let me just shrink it well so it would go like this. Are you able to see the screen? आप लोगों को डायग्राम भी दिख रहा है ना सब?
Yes, sir.
Good. I want you people to speak up on the topic, okay? Now what are you going to speak up there? You are just going to tell me the prepositions. अब एक पिक्चर से कितने preposition हम लोग को मिलते हैं देखते हैं. इसका मुंह यहाँ पर है, इसका यहाँ पर है, इसका फेस यहाँ पर है, ये बंदे का फेस यहाँ पर है, ये बंदे का फेस यहाँ पर है. आंखें खोल के बिना एड़े चाले करे आप लोगों को आंसर देना है, ओके? यस. नाउ मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, वैसे वैसे आंसर देना है एक एक बंदे ने. ऑलराइट. Where is A?
A is on middle.
A is in the middle.
On middle.
On middle नहीं आएगा, in आएगा. क्यों? क्यों?
In the
क्योंकि वो
middle.
सरफेस पे नहीं है, वो
Middle
सरफेस
का
पे
बड़ा
नहीं
है
है.
सर.
करेक्ट, मिडल बड़ा होता है. एग्जैक्टली, वेरी गुड बॉय. नेक्स्ट, नंबर 2. Where is B?
Front of D.
मैंने पूछा क्या, उतना जवाब देने का रज्जो. Where is B?
Okay, sir.
B is right of A.
On the right. B
On the
is
right.
on the right. Very good. Next, where is C?
On the left.
On the
On
left
the
of
left.
C is on the left. Chalo.
left of A.
Correct. C is on the left of A and B is on the right of A. Next one. Where is A? और कहाँ है?
A
A
is
is in the middle.
left
A
of
is
B.
in the middle. सही हुआ ना, चोरने का नहीं, ऊपर से हुआ ना.
A is left of B.
A is left of. अरे
Left
हजरत,
of
एक बार
B.
हो गया. नहीं नहीं, एक बार हो गया ना दोस्त, एक बार हो गया. On the right हो गया एक बार, लेफ्ट भी एक बार हो गया, वापस से नहीं आएगा ये, इसको रिपीट नहीं करेगा वापस से. Yes, चलो.
Center.
और correct. A
center.
is in the
upper of E.
correct. A is in the center. चलो, okay. अब A is upper नहीं बोलेंगे, क्योंकि मैंने क्या बोला, वो क्लासरूम है और क्लासरूम के अंदर एक में एक के आगे बैठे हैं, तो अपर साइड में अपन ऊपर से फोटो नहीं लिखा दी दोस्तों, उसका ऐसे सामने से बोल रहे हैं. गुड.
Front of D.
चलो, वेरी गुड बॉय. A is in front of D.
D.
D के सामने है. नेक्स्ट वन.
A is behind.
वेरी गुड. A is, ध्यान दो रे सब
Behind
लोग,
of E.
behind E. E के पीछे है A. E के पीछे है A. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट वन. नेक्स्ट वन. Where is E? अब मैं जो पूछ रहा हूँ उतना ही आंसर देना. Where is E?
E is on front.
Front of A.
E is
In front of A.
E is front of A.
correct. E is in front of A. In front already हो
Bottom
चुका है हमारा. E is at the bottom. Very good girl. E is at the bottom. Next one. Where is E? और कहाँ है E? एक और चीज है, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट छोड़ रहे हैं आप लोग.
Sir, end of
कहाँ
the
At the end. No.
at the end.
Okay. D is behind A. Okay. D is sitting behind A. Next one. चलो next पूछता हूँ अभी मैं आप लोगों को. Where is B? B is
At the corner.
at the corner. आगे चुप के सहेली, कॉर्नर पे नहीं होने.
Left of A.
कॉर्नर इसको बोलेंगे ना. Yes. मिस सना, मिस सहना, मिस शाइमा. Jai.
B is same row of C and A.
प्रीपोजिशन नहीं है दोस्त, वो सेम रो प्रीपोजिशन नहीं है.
Left on A.
B is beside A. Beside मतलब बाजू. Yes or no?
Yes.
बाजू में उसके वो.
Yes, sir.
Next one, चलो. Next one, or C is beside A. Or C is next to A, or B is next to A, or A is next to B. समझा? A is
Yes.
next to B,
Yes.
C is next to A. तो next to B एक क्या है वहाँ पे preposition है. Next to और beside दोनों भी same है भाई भाई, ये दोनों भी. Next one, चलो. Next एक और अभी simple geography के हिसाब से क्या आएगा? Where is D?
At the top.
D is very good, ma'am. D is at the top. Sana ma'am कहाँ है D? Geography बोला, इतना बड़ा hint दिया, फिर भी आप लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. अरे गरीब लोग, D is in the north. अरे था ना north नहीं मालूम, नॉर्थ नहीं समझता अपने को.
Yes, yes.
ये नॉर्थ है. ये क्या है?
East,
है.
south,
South.
ये क्या है? ईस्ट है.
East,
क्या है?
west.
वेस्ट है. बहुत बड़ा खर्चा यार अपने में तो. ऑयलिंग, ग्रेसिंग, वॉशिंग, पॉलिशिंग सबका ही खर्चा दिख रहा है मेरे को. सो डी इज इन द नॉर्थ. वेयर इज ई? ई इज इन द
South.
South.
नेक्स्ट वन. सी इज इन द
West.
West.
west,
एंड बी इज इन द.
East.
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 हेलो गरीबों. नेक्स्ट. और क्या कुछ बचा है इसके अंदर? कुछ खुजली बिजली है किसी को? कुछ और कुछ बाकी है पिक्चर के अंदर? यस.
All in the class.
वेरी नाइस सर. एवरीवन इज इन द क्लास, और सभी लोग क्लास में हैं. ओके, एक बाकी है. वेयर इज ए? आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग फॉर द टैलेंटेड पर्सन. वेयर इज ए?
Middle.
मिडल हुआ ना. वी हैव डन मिडल. सी, सबसे पहले मिडल ही लिया था. ओके, वेयर इज ए अकॉर्डिंग टू सी एंड बी?
Between.
Correct. A is between C and B. A is between. A दोनों के बीच में है. C और B के बीच में है. बीच वाला है उन्हें. समझा? ओ भाई समझा?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
सी, एक छोटा सा डायग्राम एक बहुत ही बड़े कलाकार ने बनाया था, जिनका नाम है अंसार इदरीसी. और वो कलाकार ने आपके सामने डिजाइन रखा है एक टाइम पास वाला. वो टाइम पास डिजाइन के अंदर हम लोगों को कितने प्रीपोजिशन सीखने के लिए मिले? 15.
Yes.
टेल मी. वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस.
Very good.
Very nice.
क्यों नहीं मांगता आप लोग का वेरी गुड मेरे को? तुम्हारे भाभी लोग का चिन्ह है. चलो, if you see there one single diagram I have just drawn over here, and we've got 15 prepositions. एक single diagram में 15 prepositions मिले. Do you know why मैंने ऐसे क्यों किया? Because this is the same that you're going to face in IELTS exam. IELTS exam के अंदर अगर आप लोग अगर फ्यूचर में कभी क्रैक करने के लिए जा रहे हैं, you're going to have there such kind of example, such kind of description. आपको ऐसे define करना पड़ता है, then only you're going to get the full bands. Okay? चलो, I want you people to make sentences with these blue words. जल्दी ये blue words के साथ में फटाफट सेंटेंस बनाओ.
I am in the middle of home.
Good. Next. फेंको भाई, कुछ भी
My
फेंको.
cat is behind the cupboard.
Very good. Cupboard.
I'm sitting at the right side.
I am in right side of my friend.
I'm on the right side of my friend.
I'm right hand.
I will go to at the top of it.
I'll go at the top of the building and we'll jump from there.
I am from west.
I'm from the west. Next.
I am
I'm
from
beside my
east.
brother.
Sun rises in the east.
Good. Next.
I'm sitting between my friends.
I'm sitting between my friends.
I don't want to
next
go
one,
and
other.
this side is too late.
Very good.
I am the center of Pune.
Good. I'm in the center of Pune.
I'm traveling on south side.
Very good.
I am behind of the mosque.
I'm sitting in the middle row.
I'm behind the mosque. I'm sitting in the middle.
She's sitting at front.
She's sitting in the front.
I am bottom of Kondwa.
I'm in the bottom of Kondwa. Oh, दोस्त ऐसे bottom कोंडवा का bottom की तरह बताओ मेरे को भी. ऐसे कैसे
कोनापुरम.
बोलते हैं? ऐसा? ओ हजरत.
MP center of India.
MP is the center of India.
My
Really?
village
Yes, continue. Continue.
I'm
Camp is the center of Pune.
Camp is the center of Pune. Next.
my village is in the north side.
Good. Next.
Read the
He
bottom
is
of the
between
page.
us.
Good. Raza, repeat.
He is between us.
He's between. The secret is between us. Yes.
My friend is next to me.
My friend is next to me. Next. Next.
I'm at the top of building.
I'm at the top of the building.
I meet my friend. He is from south.
Correct. I met my friend. He's from south.
My building is in the center of camp.
My building is in the center of camp.
My teacher
I'm
signs on the bottom
Maharashtra
of
is
the
between
page.
My teacher's
Maharashtra
sign
is
is at the bottom
between
of the page.
Gujarat
Maharashtra.
and Karnataka.
Maharashtra
going
is
to trip.
between Gujarat and Karnataka. Yes.
I'm going to trip west.
Monkey is top on tree.
Good.
We search the house from top to bottom.
Very good. Miss Sahana makes sentences. Miss Muskan, Miss Ghazala.
She sits behind me.
I am.
She's sitting behind me. She sits behind me.
We are pray
She is
namaz.
sitting next to me.
In the west.
from
We
west.
pray in the west. Yes.
He teaches in front of the class.
Correct.
He live in the west of.
He lives in the west.
He is standing on center of ground.
Correct.
I'm stay at top floor.
I stay at the top floor.
We are sitting in the
Kalyan is
center of
next to
class.
Thane.
Good. Next. Yes.
There is a
I'm
big clock behind the wall.
Good. Next.
I'm
I
going
want to sit
meeting
in the
with-
middle.
Very good.
I'm
My friend
going to
sitting
meeting
in the right
you.
side.
On the right side. I'm
MP,
going to
MP is
meeting.
beside Gujarat.
MP is beside Gujarat. Next.
My
Your
laptop is on the right side.
Pardon?
My laptop is on the right side.
Is on the right. Yes, Arif.
East or West India is the best.
Shut up. Shut up, Ratalu.
And India Gate is the
कुछ
front
भी
of the
फेंकने
Taj
का नहीं,
Hotel.
Ratalu. Yes, India Gate is in front of.
The Taj Hotel.
Taj
No.
Hotel.
It is not in front of Taj Hotel.
In front
Yes,
of
Sana.
sea.
No,
Yes.
There
bhai.
is some
हाँ,
in front
it is
of
in front
me.
of the sea. We can say it is in front of the sea. But in front of Taj Hotel नहीं बोलेंगे. क्यों? क्या बोलेंगे वहाँ पर? मिस सहाना क्या बोलेंगे? मिस शाइमा क्या बोलेंगे? India Gate is dash to Taj Hotel. Miss Asma.
Opposite.
Correct. Opposite. Why? India Gate का ये थोबड़ा, Taj Hotel का ये थोबड़ा. Both are clashing together. And when the faces are clashing together, at that time you're going to use their opposite. You're not going to use their in front. Is that clear? Now, for example, मैं आप लोगों के कहाँ बैठा हूँ? Where am I
Opposite.
sitting?
Opposite.
Correct. I'm sitting opposite to you. मैं ऐसे पढ़ा रहा हूँ आप लोगों को? पढ़ो नहीं? No. I'm sitting opposite to you. Faces clash हो रहे. आपका मुंह, मेरा मुंह, दोनों clash हो रहे. That's what this is called opposite. Is that clear to all of you?
Yes.
चलो continue.
Yes, sir.
His home next to this station.
His home is next to the station. Yes. Chalo next.
अब तो इतना मार
No one is sitting next to me. No one is beside me.
There is no connection between them.
There is no
Kerala is
connection
bottom.
between them.
Kerala is bottom of India.
Kerala is at the bottom of India.
Kashmir is
At
top
the
of-
top. Correct. Kashmir is at the top in the map. Miss Sahana. Miss
He
Sana.
is walking beside me.
Correct. Beside me. Miss Shaima.
Delhi is in the north.
Correct. Mr. Jay.
I'm confused between two cars.
I'm confused between two cars. Jay.
I sat between Ramesh and Rajashri.
Correct.
CST is middle station in Bombay.
Correct. फेंको रे फेंको कुछ भी फेंको फेंको जय के ये सब फेंको वेरी गुड Rajo,
The shop is on the left side.
correct.
My brother is meeting to behind the hotel.
Correct.
The garden is middle of the
He
city.
is sitting on the
The
left
garden
side.
is in the middle. He's sitting
On the left side.
on the left.
He is standing on opposite to hotel.
Correct.
The bottom of India is greenery.
The bottom of India is green. Has greenery.
I sat next to my friend.
Correct. In the next chapter, we are going to have each and everything, means we are going to have all these prepositions already. But today, just to show the picture and to ask you, my motive was there behind this one is what? If you have any other map in future, or if you have any other questions like this, so you will be identifying the prepositions well. So tomorrow I'll be explaining you this much more better. Then you can go ahead. Okay. For today, I'm really sorry for this one. I'm going to quit the lecture over here. We'll see you tomorrow on time. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Cheerio.
Cheerio.
Bye.
Cheerio.
And please, all of you practice at home. And